Serengeti swamps are also a haven for the Maasai giraffe. The abundant year-round water here enables them to stay hydrated without traveling far, unlike in drier regions. With plentiful food and constant water, Maasai giraffes focus on foraging for acacia trees and tall shrubs, essential nutrition for their large bodies. Standing between 15 to 18 feet tall, they have a significant advantage, easily surveying their surroundings for predators from afar, enhancing their survival. Their long, powerful legs allow them to traverse soft and marshy swamp terrain easily, and also serve as a formidable defense.